G'day everyone, welcome to Food Notes. Today we're going to be doing the easiest beef recipe in the world. It's like 2 minutes prep time. Anyone can do this, and it's so easy. I'm going to be doing this with one hand and holding the camera in the other. That's what happens when you don't have any friends, I guess. All right, so we're going to need 1 kilo of chuck beef cubed. You can pick this up for about 16 bucks a kilo. By the way, this is a very affordable dish, $5 per serve. That's $3 USD. All right, so just to add some salt, we're going to whack this in a bowl. Now this has just 2 main ingredients. We've got some tomato paste and about a tablespoon of Dijon. Mix that up nice and easy. All right, so get yourself one of these. These are really, really handy in the kitchen. All right, let's get some carrots organized. So that's about 1.5 carrots. So let's get some olive oil. Then whack the beef into there. So just fry that off for a bit on high heat. All right, and please hit subscribe and like, that would really help us out. Okay, so we're just getting a bit of color on the meat. We don't put any onions or anything like that. I don't even put herbs, but you can put rosemary or Italian herbs of any sort if you like. I don't think it needs it. So once the meat has got a bit of color on it, hit it with half a bowl of white wine. Don't use red, just use white wine for this one. Any kind of white wine will do, just as long as it's a dry white wine. So something like a Sauvignon Blanc or something like that. Okay, so bring it to the boil for 5 minutes. Let the alcohol evaporate from that white wine a little bit, and then we're going to turn the heat right down. Let it cook for 3 hours, and halfway through, we're going to put the carrots in. All right, guys, so this has been simmering for 1.5 hours now, so time to put the carrots in. Now just give that a bit of a stir. Just let it cook for another 1.5 hours. So I don't really know what to call this dish. It's not really a bœuf bourguignon, it's not a beef stew, it's not a beef stroganoff. It's kind of a braised beef, but not really. Let me know in the comments what you think this is. Now I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of butter to give it a bit of a shine, and we are done.